This is the topic today. I have that old traffic light down there. Some of you may remember that I tried to make it work the old-fashioned way with dragging a piece of metal across a piece of wood in a circle and cutting the things. And it worked, satisfied me. I saw that when I was a kid and I wanted to do it, so I did it. But I got this baby here. Now that you can get them without the lights, you can just get the board. But I decided I'd probably be better. Now, how in the world they go 80 volts to anywhere from 80 to 260? God bless them. So, but the instructions are really great. They give you a nice layout of the function of the board and the step-by-step instructions and the 39 different things. Not a sponsor, but Endman. So I don't know if I'm going to get to this today, but that won't matter. We'll all be on the same video. So here, and it comes wrapped. I've learned from Big Clive that that's an anti-static package. This Mylar stuff or whatever it is. So I hadn't even opened them up yet, but I'm getting ready to. And I don't guess you got to wear that. I've got one of them things that you put on your wrist and keep the static out of your body. But there you go. I guess I'll test it out up here first and kind of learn what I'm doing, and then that way I won't have to stand in the heat. So, all right. Well, let's see what we got. So yeah, I had a little rainstorm go by here. See, it's forecasting rain. Yeah. So anyway, cooled it off. Let's see, 80, 90, about 15 degrees in about an hour. Take that. So anyway. If I could just lose another 30 or 40 degrees off that, I'd be happy. So, well, let me get this stuff out and we'll see what we got. And, all right. Whoa, Nelly, these things are bright. Woohoo! Okay, I learned something I need to share with you. These are, just wait till that goes off. These are polarity sensitive. See the positive, negative there? So there's no markings here, but you're going to need to mark them, because you'll see an L and an N, neutral line, neutral line, neutral line. And so these two were reversed. All I got was red. So let's stand back here and we'll watch it go through its paces. But you've got to, okay. Dang, those are bright. So I set the red for 10 seconds, and I think the yellow for 4 or 5 seconds, and the green for 14 seconds. So, yeah, it's a good thing to dry run this in the house. Okay. So, mark your lines however you want to do it. I just use white out. So, I usually make white the hot, because it reminds me of the Jimmy Cagney movie White Hot. Don't watch it, but there is a movie called White Hot. So, I just try to do things that make me remember what I've done. So, all right, pretty easy to program. Just follow the steps. You hit the mode button, and then you hold down the red, and it'll tell you how many seconds you can program it. And then it looks like it holds the program too. Okay, we're going to unplug that. So there's your mode button, your up, down, your display, and the instructions are very simple and very nice. I like them very much. So it's just a display thing. There's no traffic here like this. So anyway, let's go put it in the actual stop lamp. Cool. Got out of this for 35 bucks. I got more than that in trying to get it the very dangerous electrocute yourself way. So very simple, very, very simple. So I have to find a way to put that like in a box of some kind. So I may have to do some wire extending to get this thing out of the bottom of the thing. So let's mark these right now. Always keep white out right here. So if you don't have one of these, look it up. It's a great tool. Put a little bit of lubricant in it when you get it, but it's in there tight, and it's brand new. So, but you get the best of both worlds. So it's got a little graphite on it there. So yeah, I like this thing. I had one go bad on me, but that's okay. the ball bearing went out and it just won't hold the stem. So not a sponsor. Get in there. But that worked fine. So I don't see much reason. I guess you might have if you're at a party or something like that. You know what? I'm going to see if I can find some artwork and make sort of a party, like a party dinosaur thing. I know, I get bored real easy. Okay, well I'm real happy with this. Check up your whiteout before you use it. We'll head down to the barn. What time is it? It's 4:30. I could probably do this by the end of the day. It's cooled off to 86, okay. Alright, the patient's on the table saw. These are LEDs, I kind of forgot that. Maybe that controller will fire these off, because these are quite a bit bigger. Won't that be fun? Well, we'll just have to see. Have to watch polarity again, but let's open this up. Got plenty of room to put the controller in here. This is the way these work. Yeah, I got plenty of room in here. Okay, so let's see, how far does this go back? The Monday, whatever. So it was in 2000. This thing goes back to 2002. I didn't know that. Okay. Well, let's see if I can get these to fire off here. That'd be neat. All right. So the red one and yellow one's marked. The green one isn't. Doesn't matter. It says top. Well, that ain't on the top. These don't say anything about top. I don't think. I don't know. I have to think about it. I don't think it's going to matter much. I'm not too... Oh, that's probably for that deflection thing they do. Who cares about that? That ain't going to hurt nothing. Let's take a look back over here. Well, I won't tell if you won't. I'm not going to try to get those screws out of there. I think I would be an unhappy person in that respect. Well, let's cut all this out and see if I can get this thing to fire. That'd be interesting. I need power over here. Okay, I think I got it right here. Oh, this thing goes all over the barn, this battery charger, because I use it all the time. It's been pretty good. Speaking of LED lights, one of those lights is burned out. But as long as the other one isn't, you know where you are. You know, you never know where you're going till you get there. You don't know wherever you are. Wherever you go, there you are. Hey, look at that. It fires it off. So let's let it cycle through. So I didn't need these little lights here. But I guess that just means I ordered another one of those. You can order those individually, and I'll just do something else with it. There's yellow. And then there's red. And so it will fire those. That is neat. Want it? There, oh, there it goes. Okay. Dang, I'm happy about that. Okay. I think the controller itself's like $25. So, okay, well that's all working, and it held its program. That's another thing to note. Didn't need any connectors or anything. Be sure and put these little feet on here. You don't want the back of this shorting out on anything. So, okay. Okay, that's enough to clear the intersection. Okay. So I'm ready to hang this thing back up. I'm going to get one of my straps back too. It's going to be good. Okay, that works. It fires everything off. All right, let's go hang it up and test it over there. Okay, get this all buttoned up and tucked in. Okay, I got it hung up where I want it, right here at the lift. So there it is. Green light. I don't think I want it any higher than that because it'd be harder to program it. And it's okay, it's, you know. And then there's that. God, it's so hard to look at. It's so bright. Okay. Let it run its cycle. Okay. Don't give me a red light. When it comes to a thumbs up, give me a green light. Okay. I'm just going to leave that there. I'm not going to hardwire it or anything. I got outlets over here too. So that's pretty neat. Let's cut the music off. And we'll look at it from over here. God, things really something else. So thanks for being here. And I have a little novelty thing. That is just so cool. So thanks to Ryan McMahon, who gave me the light years and years ago, Sean's son. Well, I kind of earned it. He said I could take anything I wanted, and I kind of wanted that. I gave him a made in the USA, sat here forever, water heater, and put it in for him. And so I traded a real nice, probably a $500 water heater nowadays, because it was made in like Tennessee somewhere, for this thing. Looks like I got the better end of that stick. Well, speaking of sticks, boy, I feel like a wet stick out here. Let me go back in. That's enough. I like that. I'm just going to leave it like that. Now, it won't come on unless I turn the fluorescent lights on, but that's okay. I think it overcomes that just fine. All right. Well, let's close the door and turn this one off, okay? So let's see, it's this one. I'll leave this one on for motorcycle charger now. And, oops. I'm going to leave that one on, and that one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all of these except that one. Okay, bye-bye. Let's take a look outside. Whose truck is that? Every time I look at it, I say, man, that's a nice truck. Who belongs to that truck? Boy. Cool drink. Bye-bye.